why to invest so much of money when you can actually do a DIY under 100 rupees. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hello, my name is Juhi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home. It's super easy and it saves a lot of money because अगर आप बाहर से कराते हो, it literally cost you 1000 or 3000 rupees. I mean starting उसकी 1000-3000 bucks से होती है and why to invest so much of money when you can actually do a DIY at home under 100 rupees. So I think it saved a lot of time and also money, and money is the key role right now. So yeah, and let me show you how I do it. So without any further delay, let's dive into video. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this very useful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. And I will see you in the next video.